Good afternoon, Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Standing on the Armstrong bracket on this Ocean Master. This is a fishing battle wagon. Just want to take a few minutes of your time to do a walkthrough video. Got a ton of photos you'll see online, but just hoping this video will help you understand the layout a little better on this boat. It's got twin 350 horsepower Mercury Verados, a little over 400 hours on these engines. Armstrong bracket I was telling you about. So closed off transom, storage or big box, large live well compartment, additional storage here. All the upholstery, cockpit bolsters, cushions, and enclosure are new. Seller's the second owner of the boat. He's the one that repowered with the Mercury 350s. They're just going to move into a smaller center console style is the only reason that they're selling. That hatch and this hatch has your outboard motor, batteries, battery switches. There's storage in both of these lockers. There is room to put a chair here. Cockpit. Swing around and show you the tower. Coming up, rod launchers. Rigged with outriggers rigged with 2 lines each. Do have full controls up there. Another Simrad display, Mercury gauges, so you can run from up top. On board, 110 power, 30 amp. Storage in this locker. Try to get the shadow out of the way, but there's dry storage in there. There's also your water tanks in there, and then your holding tank. This does have a vacuum flush head in this compartment. This is the cabin. You got storage in that compartment, storage there. That forward box is storage as well. Great storage. Head unit for your VHF radio, fusion stereo. Great room down below. Port side chair. Step up helm. New remote for the standard Horizon. This Simrad autopilot is not hooked up to the new motors. No autopilot on the boat at this time. Mercury display, and then your Simrad display up there. Obviously digital throttles and shifts with the new motors. Boat does have an anchor windlass as well. Nice clean boat. Be a great dive boat, offshore fishing boat. Owners are just making a boating style change. That's the only reason they're selling. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you got any questions about this Ocean Master, you can reach me on my cell, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. It's Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video.